right, we got a thumbs up from the scorekeeper, from the ref.
We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we've got 1, 2, 3 robots in motion. 16244 coming in. High arcing score. 6215 also from their own launch zone. Launching for red, landing very well. 20245 doing the mobile roll. 6215 just moving off base enough to get that autonomous robotic scoring point there. And 20245 coming back for red. Scoring again. They are very efficient. Nice sort of like triple intake from the ground. Shooting on 3 parallel hoop tracks.
Drivers, pick up
and
your
they're doing well.
controllers.
Looks like blue is slightly ahead as we go into the piloting.
3,
All robots
2,
have moved.
1.
17378 coming in, showing a little bit of what they got. From the intake, directly one artifact launched. They pick up from the gate, coming into their loading zone for red, and loading and shooting again. That was nice. That was purple, green, purple. Not quite the motif, but a very efficient scoring of artifacts. Meanwhile, over on the red side, 26215. Single track, intake, spin, turret aims with a limelight, and they shoot. 20245 has 3 parallel tracks. They're emptying the gate, the classification ramp, and bringing in 3 artifacts at a time that they launch. 2 greens in succession, and a purple still on that blue ramp at the far left. 17378, meanwhile, the single track robot coming in. I think they're looking for an artifact to pick up, and they find it in red's loading zone. 16244, their partner, shooting 3 at a go. Nicely done. 2 landed, 2 purples there, right? So we see these like higher pace robots that are shooting multiple in quick succession from their spinner intake, orienting their turrets with the limelight and then shooting fast. Where are we with scores? Blue is up 189 to about 110. That is definitely a statistically significant lead. Will they maintain it through the rest of the game? We've got about 40 seconds left and parking. Notice also your favorite game announcer, because of being mistaken for a goal, is strategically hiding behind the blue goal here. Gives me an excellent view though. 20245 going back, clearing the classification ramp, and they've got 2 artifacts under control now. Loading, shooting, still 1 under control as they go into endgame. 256 for blue, 140 something for red. Red trying to clear their 1 artifact that's sort of being stuck, and now they sort of scoop and paddle it up.
Oh, scores going up on the board for match number 41. The Blue Alliance will take the victory. The score of 312 to 158. 5 ranking points for your Blue Alliance. That will mean significant upward motion on that side. No ranking points on red means downward motion for all the teams.